Swing on the spiral easy pour bottles, make it easy to pour into fermenters of any size. You'll notice that there's no clingage in the bucket whatsoever, and that's the result of our research on the actual storage containers. Now that we've poured the wort into the fermenter, you can see that it's already naturally agitated. All we do is we pitch the yeast and add the water. So we're adding 5 litres of water now to 15 litres of beer wort. Nice and simple. Straight in on top. We can add another 1 or 2 litres depending on how strong you want the beer. It's entirely up to you. With this pitch, we added 7 litres of purified water to 15 litres of the pale ale fresh wort kit, and it's in the top of the bucket now. You'll see, looks pretty good. All we have to do now is actually record our level and pitch our yeast. Today we're going to try something different which goes against the grain. We normally use US 05 by Safali, but today we're going to try 2 yeasts combined. One is the actual Wheat Beer 06 and the other one is the S23, and we'll see how it turns out in 14 days time. Could be good, could be bad, could be great. You'll see that we've pitched the yeast right on top, spread it all around, and you can actually hear it starting to bubble already, reacting. We're just going to put the lid on now. Little airlock that we get from Keg King, you just fill it with water. It's a 3-stage lock, and just simply push it through the little rubber grommet in the top of the lid, and then put the lid on. Twist it around. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then we let it set and ferment, and we'll check it every couple of days after the first 4 days ferment. Whether we decide to dry hop or not, we'll soon find out. I'll just do a bit of research. Otherwise, we just leave it as is on this experiment. Guys, this is a heater belt. In case it gets cold during winter, you simply wrap it around the belly of your beer and plug it into the power, and it keeps it at the temperature that you're after. We pitched this one late after summer. It's not really cold yet, but we may have to put it on. Just depends on the temperature range of the yeast and obviously the ambient air temperature. So keep an eye on it every day. Make sure that it's in the range of the yeast, and everything will be okay at the end of the fermentation.